If you're experiencing server timeout issues in Call of Duty, follow these steps to quickly configure your settings and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions or slow speeds. Step 2. Restart your router. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This can help refresh your connection and resolve any temporary issues. Step 3. Adjust firewall settings. Access your firewall settings and ensure that Call of Duty is allowed through. You may need to add it as an exception in your firewall to prevent it from blocking the game. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to a more reliable server, such as Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.84.4. This can improve your connection to the game servers. Step 5. Update game and system. Make sure that both your game and system are up to date with the latest patches and updates. This can fix bugs and improve overall performance, reducing the chances of server timeouts. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve server timeout issues in Call of Duty. If problems persist, consider reaching out to your internet service provider or the game support team for further assistance.